At the core of every successful manufacturing business is quality. Failing to maintain it risks damaging your brand and losing customers. BatchMaster ERP digitizes your entire quality control and assurance process, from raw material testing and in-process inspections to finished goods checks. It empowers you to set quality parameters, define tests, draw samples, establish acceptance criteria, and both create and execute inspection checklists. You can evaluate results in different formats, track outcomes like destruct, rework, or return, perform stability testing, and control lot movements by their quality status. Additionally, manage non-conformances, track batch data, perform retests, and generate certificates of analysis, all in a few clicks. Enhance product quality, reduce rework, ensure compliance, and retain your customers by delivering exceptional quality every time. With BatchMaster ERP,